my name is Megan, and in this video I am going to show you the easiest way that you can make buffalo chicken sliders. Anybody else excited for football season? I was supposed to make these yesterday, but I decided that I was gonna drink a Bloody Mary and then drink another Bloody Mary. So we're gonna make them for the Monday game tonight. All right, let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then take a 9 by 13 baking dish, and you can line it with parchment paper or you can line it with parchment paper or tin foil, whatever you have. Doesn't have to be perfect. Go ahead and just do that. 3 cups of your rotisserie chicken meat. Now, because I got into the Bloody Marys yesterday, I did not pull this off of the bone when the chicken was warm. So tip for you, it's a lot easier to debone your chicken and get your shredded chicken ready when the chicken is hot. After you get as much meat as you can off your chicken, you're gonna wanna go ahead and either take some kitchen shears or shred it by hand and just shred it up so you have like roughly 3 cups of chicken. Next, take your King's Hawaiian rolls, that's hard to say, and you're gonna cut them straight down the middle. Don't break them up, just cut them straight down. And I'm not gonna lie, because I'm doing this on camera, I am so nervous that I'm gonna mess it up, but here we go. Cutting the bread, it wasn't my worst, but wasn't my best. Got a little chunk of it that's out of it, but oh well, just try your best. It's still gonna taste really good. Take the bottom part, put it right in your dish. Go ahead and set that aside. Measure out a 1/3 cup of buffalo sauce, or more if you want it spicy, but a 1/3 is really good. And coat your chicken. And carefully spread it all over the bottom of your rolls. You can go ahead and rinse your bowl out. I'm just gonna use the same bowl, and you're gonna wanna measure out 1.5 cups of coleslaw. Add 1/4 cup ranch. Go ahead, get your chicken, and then you guessed it, gonna put that coleslaw mix right on your chicken. Last thing you're gonna wanna do is melt 1 cup or 1 stick of butter. I find it a little bit easier to break up the butter. It melts a little bit easier than just throwing in 1 stick in the microwave if you've never melted butter before. I melted my butter for just about like a minute and 30 seconds. I always melt it for like a minute and then I'll like shake it around and check it, and then go ahead and just do it in like little intervals. But yeah, took a minute and 30 seconds to melt the butter. One more ingredient is just some dry ranch mix. Take 4 teaspoons of your dry ranch mix and put it right in your butter.
My beautiful girl.
Are you talking to me or the cat?
Cat by far.
Really? That was nice. I was like, oh my god, he knows I'm filming and he's calling me beautiful. And drizzle it all over your buns. Before you pop them in the oven, you're gonna wanna just cover the rolls with a little bit of aluminum foil and let them sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. Oops, sometimes when I get ahead of myself and I'm filming, I don't think. You wanna bake these covered for 20 minutes and then pull the cover off and bake them uncovered for 5 more minutes. I kinda baked the whole thing uncovered. It's a little bit crispy, but it's still fine. Give these a try on camera. They weren't as hard as I thought they were gonna be. Like, once I realized what I did, I was like, oh my gosh. All right, they're messy. Perfect for football season. So good. Can I have one of those, please? I'm on camera. The sweetness of the Hawaiian rolls mixed within the hot of the chicken It's so, so good. That coleslaw gives it that like little crunch as well too. All right, guys, there you have it for today's video. I will be back tomorrow with another video for you. Have a great night.